Imagine building your dream country estate on 23 rolling acres with creek frontage here in West Lincoln. We are on 20 Mile Road here with over 900 feet of frontage on 20 Mile Road. We've got amazing rolling farmers fields, frontage on the 20 Mile Creek. We're just 3 minutes to Smithville, 10 minutes to Beamsville, and minutes to renowned wineries. I'm Wes Skillstra, broker with the Wayne Skillstra team, and come take a bird's eye view of 20 Mile Road here in West Lincoln. If you would like more information on this stunning building lot in beautiful West Lincoln, just call or text me, Wes Skillstra, anytime at 289-213-7337.